So we have 2 to the power of x dot e to the power of x equals 30, and we're asked to look for the value for x. So let's go. First thing we're going to do is to simplify this one, okay? And we're going to do that by expressing it in this form. Remember the law of indices. Since we have the same base, we're going to pick 1, and we're going to add the powers together, the product rule, remember? Then we're going to add these powers to give us 4x and give us 30. We take log of both sides, and we have log 2 to the power of 4x equals log 30. All right, so from here, we'll move this power to the back. And we divide through by log 2. Our aim is to find the value for x. So we're trying to eliminate every single thing obstructing x to be alone, okay? So from here, we're going to also divide through by 4. All right. And we're left with x here. But then we're going to simplify this because this cannot be the answer. Okay, so to simplify log 30, some persons can leave their answer as this, as 1 over 4, okay, log 32. Some persons can leave it like this, but I like to go a bit further, okay, so I'm gonna leave it this way. Log 30 can be expressed as 2.3.5 all over log 2, okay? So we move on. Okay, so our value for x is 1 over 4. Now remember the top can be expressed as, okay, log 2 plus log 3 plus log 5, okay? Remember, all over log 2. We can then simplify further. Log 2 divided by log 2 plus log 3 divided by log 3. Log 2, sorry, we're dividing through by log 2. Log 5 divided by log 2. So this gives us 1. Okay. All right. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to apply this rule in logarithm that says log a over log b can be written as log a to base b. So we're going to be applying that now. And so this would be written as 1 plus log 3 to base 2 plus log 5 to base 2. And this is the value for x. Yeah, it's that long. So what we're going to do next is to fix this into this question. Yeah, we're going to fix the value for x into this equation. Now let's go. So recall From this equation, we had something like this: 2 to the power of 4x equals 30. If you missed this, please do well to go back to the video, or take it back so that you can know how we got this. So from here, this is where we're going to start doing our check. Okay, so remember our value for x is this. So this is what we're going to be putting here. Now 2 to the power of 4 in bracket 1 over 4. Okay, open bracket, 1 plus log 3 2 plus log 5 2. Remember, everything has to be equal to 30. So we're going to open this up, right? So if we do, since we factorize, we can easily just strike this out to make it much more easy. So we're just focusing on what's in the bracket, which is 1 plus log this and log 5 to the base 2 to give us 30. Now we're going to split this up. Okay, so we distribute it all the way through. So from here, 2 to the power of 1 is 2. And here, following the law of logarithm that says a to the power of log BA is equal to B. We're going to be using this to expand this and this. Okay, so this would give us, so this would be multiplying. Okay, now let's correct that here, multiplying. So this will give us, from this rule, this will give us 2. This will give us 3. And from here, this will give us 5. So we have, when we multiply, this will give us 30 equal to 30. So this satisfies that the value for x satisfies these equation. You see it? Yeah, if you've watched up to this point, it means you've gained a lot of value. Please do well to subscribe. Okay, leave a comment, like this video, do well to share it, and I'll see you all in my next one. Remember, you can also join my membership. All right, it's of 2 levels. We have the bronze and we have the silver, so do well to check that out. Remember to also go through my store. I've got some good lovely products that you can purchase for yourself, for your family. I've got an ebook on puzzles, so do well to try that out. All right, these are the little ways you can support this channel, so please do well to do so. All right guys, I love you all, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.